Hello! In this video I will install a compiler for C++ and build some basic code examples from our course. And I will be using GCC GNU compilers collection, and I will be using this MinGW distribution, and MinGW stands for Minimalist GNU for Windows. And in this distribution we have a number of useful programs. We will have GCC, and we will have Boost libraries, which we will be using in this course, and it has a bunch of other useful libraries for C++ programmers. So I suggest that you go to this website, to this web page, nuven.net, and install this distribution. And you may also use some other compiler and tools like Visual Studio compiler for C++, for example, if you feel more experienced in that. But I suggest that in this course we stick to the same tools. So I will now download this distribution here. So we downloaded this distribution. Let's unpack it. I will put it in, for example, in disk C. So we have downloaded MinGW. If you go to this MinGW folder, you will see that we have bin, lib, and include. So here we have some binaries, we have G++, we have GCC, you see, and here we have some includes. For example, we have Boost, and in Boost we have different Boost libraries, and most of the Boost libraries are actually just header files, so we just can include them, and that's all. And we have some libraries here in lib. So here we have compiled libraries. We have so we also see here Boost object files, Boost compiler libraries that we can link, and which GCC. So let's now use those programs from MinGW folder. Let's use the compiler and compile some code. But first of all, let's go to Control panel here. Then let's go to System, and then let's select Advanced System Settings, and then let's select Environment Variables. And now we will add some new system environment variables. So click on Pass, and now let's add pass to these binaries. Then let's add pass to include files. And then let's add pass to the libraries. So we have added 3 new paths. We have these environment variables, and now those will be visible in the system. Click OK, and then let's open Git bash. And if I now type G++ version. Then now we see that it is available and we may use this compiler. We have G++ 9.2. Now let's create some hello world example and compile it. Let's use G++. So we have compiled and let's run. So here it is. And you may also specify the version of C++ that you want to use. So if I type stud equals C++ 17, for example, I will compile in C++ 17. Now let's try to compile some examples from the course. So let's go to CPP solid and let's go to standalone examples. And let's go to dependency inversion principle examples. And let's compile this lamp example. So if I go here, first let's create let's make build directory, and then let's compile. Let's have here build run, and let's have deep. So I have compiled because I have it in build run. So let's run. So we may now use G++ to compile our examples and to run them, and in the next videos we will see how we will compile. I will show you how we will compile examples with C++ and Boost libraries and CMake. And that's all for this video. See you next time.